Good afternoon. My name is Daksh Sadaria and I'm from second year B physiotherapy student. And my today's topic is stance phase. The gait cycle is the sequence of the motion that occurs mostly during walking and running phase. The gait cycle consists of two phases, stance phase and swing phase. The stance phase consists of 60% of the gait cycle and the swing phase consists of 40%. The stance phase means the foot contact with the ground. The swing phase means the foot in the contact with the air. The phases of the stance phase. The stance phase begins when the foot first makes contact with the ground, heel strike, and end with the same foot lift off ground toe off. It includes 5 subphases: heel strike, foot flat, mid stance, heel off, toe off. First one is heel strike. The moment the heel of the toe strikes the ground, the purpose of it is to prepare the body for the weight acceptance. Key points: the ankle during the heel strike is neutral, slightly dorsiflexion position. The knee is extended or slightly flexed. The hip is 30-degree flexed. The muscle inward are the tibialis anterior, which control the foot placement. The gluteus maximus and the hamstring also help in stabilizing the hip. The second subphase is foot flat. Defined from the heel strike to the point when the opposite foot leaves the ground. The purpose of this subphase is to control the body weight transfer in the following limb. The key points are the foot moves into the plantar flexion to make full contact. The knee flexes 15 degrees to absorb the shock. Hip remains flexed, moving towards the extension. The muscles used are the tibialis anterior, eccentrically controls the foot lowering. The quadricep also helps in knee flexion. The gluteus maximus or gluteus minimus also helps in stabilizing the pelvis. The next subphase is the mid-stance. Mid-stance means from the time the opposite foot lifts off to when the body center of the gravity is directly over the supporting foot. The purpose is to support the body weight and maintain the balance. The key points are: the ankle moves into the dorsiflexions, the knee bends to extend, hip continues to extend. The muscles help are the triceps surae, which includes the gastrocnemius muscle and the soleus muscle, begin to contract eccentrically to control tibial advancement. The hip adductors also helps in this phase. The fourth subphase is the heel off. From the mid-stance to when the heel of the stance foot lifts off. The purpose is to prepare the body for the push off and swing phase. The key points is the heel rises off the ground, the ankle is in dorsiflexion about 10 degrees, the knee starts to flex slightly, hip continues to extend 10 to 20 degrees. The muscles are plantar flexors, gastrocnemius, soleus muscles, which contract concentrically to propel the body forward. The hamstring and the gluteus maximus begin preparing for the limb deceleration. The last subphase is the toe off. Toe off means from the heel off to the toe of the final phase of the stance. The purpose is to transition from the stance phase to the swing phase. The key movements are: the ankle moves into plantar flexions about 20 degrees. The knee flexes 40 degrees. Hip starts to flex 10 degrees. Muscle inwards are the plantar flexors, which provide the final push off. The hip flexors such as iliopsoas, rectus femoris. Start swinging the leg forward. The hamstring assists in the knee flexion. Thank you.